Woo-wee. Welcome back, guys. Welcome back to the channel. Thank you very much for joining us today. Please don't forget to share, like, and subscribe if you're not subscribed to the channel. Today we are going to follow along where we were left off last video. You already know, guys. Yes, sir. We're gonna go ahead and start working on that GTR. We're gonna go ahead and knock that thing down. Without further ado, vámonos. Alright guys, as you guys can see, there's the discoloration there. We went ahead and took the line off already, where the scratches that were there. Went ahead and faded it in. That is the clear coat. It looks like they put a top coat on the clear coat. They put this glittery stuff thing on it, which it goes on the 3-stage paint, which this particular Nissan has it. So we're going to have to redo the panel due to that little thing. Yes, that means we have to redo the panel. Good thing it has that right there, that line, so we don't have to go all the way to the front. So it cuts right here, and then we don't have to mess with the trunk either or the back bumper. But the whole quarter panel has to get re-clear because we're gonna have to match the paint on that little scuffer there, right there. So we have to go back to basics, get that situated, get it faded in, get it to match up with this, and then re-clear the whole panel. Man, that's crazy. All because of that. Usually on paint like this or so, you can do a touch-up, wet sand it, and get away with it. Like, you won't be able to tell anything happened, but I guess Nissan made sure you did it right all the time, because they put that glitter stuff on the clear coat, and once you start sanding the clear coat, all that glitter starts coming off with the clear coat. As you guys can see, it's way wider here than it is up here. So yeah, lucky us, huh? Oh well, let's go ahead and get it prepped to blend it in and re-clear it, I guess. Sheesh. Alrighty guys, so we went ahead and got everything sanded over here, scuffed up. It's taped down. We'll see if we can get away with that body line. We'll see. However, we do have our side skirts over here. We're gonna go ahead and probably re-clear the whole thing, because they do have a little bit of scuffs here and there. So we're just gonna make them pristine, looking beautiful. As you guys can see, there's some dents here and there, but for now we were just fixing down there the little mess they made. They look as flat as they're gonna get for plastic. But yeah, we'll see how it comes out. I'm gonna go ahead and let the cured plastic urethane thin, and then yeah, come back, sand it, and prime it and paint. Sounds easier than what it is, huh? But yeah, that's gonna be it for this day. I'll go ahead and catch this car in the morning. Alright guys, good morning. It is the next day. We're over here in the garage. We're gonna go ahead and prepare the rest of the panel just like we did on the GTO, and we can paint the whole panel because, you know, We want to make sure it's a good job, great job. We took as much as we can take right there. We need a little bit of a touch up, and then we can blend in the paint and then the clear coat. And we should be fine. We should be good to go. Our flares are done as well. Looks like the epoxy has dry. This one came out really, really good. This one here has a little bit of a so I'm probably gonna go ahead and put a little bit of putting in there just to make it smooth, just like the other one. And yeah, pretty much it. Alrighty, well, let's go ahead and put the plastic on this car and the tape and get her done. Alright guys, so we got the car covered. AC is going because, well, air conditioner or fan, whatever you want to call it. It is hot in here, but yeah, we got it all covered. We're not going to cut it just yet. We're going to go ahead and start painting this right here. Yes sir, we're going to spray this paint first since it's a different tone. I didn't want no overspray on my panel or in the car in general. And I didn't feel like pulling it back out, pulling it back in, things like that. So yeah. We're gonna go ahead and throw this here, and then once that's done, we're gonna throw the paint over there. Since this is a darker paint, it won't matter. That one's light. You can see if it has any overspray and stuff like that anyways. But yeah, anyways, so once everything's done and we can throw clear on both pieces and be done with it, put it back together and move on with the other stuff. At least that's the plan. Let's get it. Right guys, so it's cured, it's cooked. I almost started without you, I'm sorry. I almost opened the door there, but yeah, look at this. Woo, wet, super clean. And yes, it is dry, guys. Sheesh, look at that. Nice, we already know. Let's go ahead and take this tape off and take the plastic off, pull it outside, and start with the side skirts. Look at these things. I had it. Yep, I had to sand it all the way down to the plastic. Golly, because we were having a chemical reaction, as you guys could see. And now, hopefully, this is it. It'll come out good. Man, paint came out so good. Look at that clear coat. Now we're gonna have to buff the rest of the car to look as good as this panel. That's crazy. Sheesh. Focus, focus, focus. There you go. Man, it looks amazing. It looks even better in person, to be honest. Wow. Nice, 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 nice. Look at that glitter, man. Sheesh. Alright guys, we're gonna go ahead and pull it outside. Because, you know, we don't want to overspray on this bad boy. And we can start doing the side skirts. Let's get that cold start. How about that? Alrighty guys, so we went ahead and throw the clear coat on these things. Look at that. Ooh-wee. You already know how it goes. Yes sir, look at all that glitter though. Sheesh, and it's nighttime. Imagine all that glitter on the sun. Man, it's gonna look fantastic. Fantastico, look at all that. Wow. That is super nice. Look at the light reflection right there. Oh my gosh. Love this color. Like a charcoal gray or something. Alrighty guys, here's the GTR all put together. Everything's good to go. There's the side skirts as well. Yes sir, look at that quarter panel. Came out delicious. Whee! Yeah, we have it in a jack right now. We're about to put it down. We just finished putting the side skirts and pull it outside. See what it looks like on the sun. Alright guys, so here it is, all done and finished out in the sun. Look at that. Sheesh! Went ahead and did the whole quarter panel, as you guys remember. Looks fantastic here in the sun as well. There we go with the front end. Look at that. Sheesh. Notice? Yes, and look at that. We even fixed the little issue we had over here on this side, if you guys remember. But yeah, there it is. GTR is done, ready to go. On to the next one. Look at those side skirts. And super clean. Reflects the ground just like the back one. Hell yeah, buddy. Better than OEM, I say so myself. Nice. Alrighty guys, so that's gonna be it for this GTR here. It was a quick little build, as you guys can see. Nothing major to it. Something simple, tedious jobs here and there, but all in all, good. We did not change the front splinter. It is a lot of work. It's way too thick. It's not even worth putting on this car. It's not even a good quality. So we'll see if we do something about that later or what. But for now, this is how it's gonna sit. And just enjoy, I guess. Adios.